Hey guys, welcome back. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. I've been trying this new thing where I start to film during the daytime. I just got done dropping off my daughter at school and I just fed my son. So I'm gonna quickly get ready for the day. And I did promise you guys a giveaway, so this video will be a giveaway. I'm gonna be using the products that I'm gonna be giving away. This giveaway is only for my Instagram, but I just wanted to come on here and personally share these products with you in case it is something that you guys are interested in purchasing or just want a review on. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and jump right in.
No, I'd rather be waking up with you. Set up alone in your room, slept with the light on, waiting up for you. I don't wanna be.
Alright, so I've already done one eyebrow off camera and you can definitely see that that's quite the transformation. Here's a close-up of what my eyebrows look like. Honestly, this eyebrow is like one of my favorite eyebrows. I feel like it's really easy to do. This is more of a challenge because they're not really the same. So if you guys have seen my other eyebrow tutorials, then you guys know what I'm talking about. This is the Define 2-in-1 Brow Pencil by Luminess Cosmetics, and I'm going to show you guys, this is really unique. So on one end, it obviously has the brow pencil. And this reminds me a lot of the Anastasia brow, what do you call it? It's not the Brow Wiz, it's the brow, it's the other one. I forgot the name of it. On the other end of the brow pencil, it has a little brow gel, which keeps your eyebrow hairs in place, and it kind of does add a little bit of a tint to it so that it kind of matches your eyebrows. I have never seen anything like this. I don't know any other company that does this, so I thought it was really cool. I did get the darkest shade. I picked up the color Slate, which is the darkest color, and I feel like I should have gone more towards the dark brown, but it's fine. My hair up here kind of looks black basically, so we'll live. Let's go ahead and put this product to use. This glides on really easy and it's not too creamy. I tend to always start at the end of the brow, which I always like to darken this up the most and then kind of keep it lighter towards the beginning of the brow. Kind of like an ombre effect just to give it more of a natural finish. Keep in mind this is my difficult brow, so it might not look the same, but as long as they look similar, it's totally fine. And now I'm gonna try to kind of match where the eyebrow starts over here because they're completely different. And I'm just outlining the bottom. They do look a little bit crazy right now because I haven't cleaned them up, but I'm just trying to darken up this bottom part here. Now with the other end of the brow pencil, I'm going to go ahead and apply the brow gel upwards here. To clean up my eyebrows, I'm going to use this Eyebrow Define concealer, and this is by Makeup Revolution. I'm just really bummed that I didn't get the right color, but overall I'm pretty happy with how this product works. It glides on very smoothly, and I really like how it has a brow gel. It's very convenient when you're on the go, or sometimes whenever you're going for a natural brow. It's just really nice to have like a brow tint, and you can just apply it for a more natural look. This brow pencil will be a part of my giveaway, and I'm so sure that you guys are gonna love this just as much as I do. Very randomly, I received a message from one of my Instagram followers, and she messaged me if I know of anything that removes peach fuzz, and I don't feel like I have too much peach fuzz. I can definitely see some here, but it's not too noticeable, so I just don't do anything about it. But what I do use is one of these little, what do you call these? Like little razors, and I seriously have been doing this since high school to kind of get rid of the hair right here above my lip. And I also clean up my eyebrows and my unibrow. I've been seeing a lot of the hair removers all over social media, and I came across this one from Luminess Cosmetics, and this is their Silk and Smooth hair remover. You can twist it off and the hair goes in here. Through here, all these little blades that are on here kind of suck the hair in. I tried this on my upper lip here and it removed the hair just fine. And with these little razors, I feel like you have to kind of like restock on them a little bit more. And this is reusable, so I feel like it's definitely worth the money. It's not too pricey opposed to its competitors. But luckily, one of you guys will also be getting this. This is the second item in this giveaway. I do have to mention that whenever you do use this product, you do have to use it in circular motions in order for it to work because the blades are going in different directions. Now I'm going to go ahead and speed up this tutorial only because I want to really focus on the products that are going to be a part of the giveaways. The next item that I'm going to be giving away is this contour palette by Luminess Cosmetics as well, and this is the medium to deep cut contour palette. I did get the medium to deep contour palette because on camera it may not appear as if I'm dark, but I feel like I am pretty dark. I'm Mexican, so I am pretty morena. And this is what the contour palette looks like. It does have one highlighter, which is right here. To contour, I'm going to be using this F25 brush by Carity Cosmetics. This is like an angled one, which I feel like it works really good underneath the cheekbone, or at least to kind of like make it look like you have a cheekbone, because as you guys can see, my face is really round and it doesn't have any dimension towards the cheekbone area. I do contour to a point where it does actually look like I have cheekbones. So let me show you how I contour with this palette. My contouring really depends on what kind of makeup I'm going for. If I'm going out, I really want to use a intense contour color, which is this one here. This is the espresso shade and I really like it. Except since it is daytime right now, I want to keep it kind of light, but still kind of make it look like I have cheekbones. So I'm going to be taking this color here, which is Mocha. I switched the way I position the brush depending on what cheek I'm working on. When I'm dipping into Mocha, I want to go ahead and apply it this way. Just look at the position of the brush that I'm doing here, and I want to make sure that the tip of the brush is towards the outer area. You guys can already see the difference here. It kind of does look like I have cheekbones. Hey! I prefer contouring with powder contours only because I feel like they're easier to blend opposed to like cream contouring. I've never really been a fan of that. I have tried it just to, try it, but it never grew on me. I don't know why. And you guys, I am never cutting my bangs again. I like instantly regretted it. So I've been like slicking it down or like putting bobby pins to keep them in place. I'm trying to let them grow out. Alright, so I had the brush like this for this side. Now I'm going to go ahead and dip back into the palette using the other side of the brush. And when you're contouring, you kind of want to look straight towards the mirror so that you know where you're positioning the contour. And if you can kind of see the line right here, that's where I'm applying it. I'm going to use my Pretty Vulgar powder and I'm just going to go ahead and apply it right underneath here. Since I did use some like copperish colors on my eyes, I'm going to be taking the Note Cosmetics Desert Rose blush, and this is really fucked up. I messed it up. But it's like a peachy color. Whew, that's a lot. I just realized that I did not contour the nose, so I'm going to go ahead and dip back into the color Mocha and mix it up a little bit with Latte. To set the face, I'm going to be using the MAC Fix Plus. You guys know that I love my little Sigma E36 brush. With this brush, I'm going to go ahead and dip into Frappe, the highlighter from the palette. And I'm going to just apply it to the tip of the nose here. Cupid's bow. And then just apply it to the cheekbone here. Okay guys, so I really hope that you guys did enjoy this look. I have a lot of errands to run right now, so I'm really glad that I got a chance to film this. And I hope that you guys did enjoy the products that I used for this giveaway. This giveaway is mainly for my Instagram account, so if you're interested in entering, make your way over to my Instagram. I'm going to go ahead and put my name right here. Man, all this lighting is going... Gotta turn off some lights. I should honestly film more in the daytime. Like, this is just my natural lighting right now. Like I was saying, if you want to enter this giveaway, make your way over to my Instagram account. And if you want a direct link on how to enter, it'll be down in the description box. I wanted to sit down and show you how the products work here for a YouTube video. I know this is a giveaway that's only for my Instagram account, but don't worry because I have another giveaway coming up here for my YouTube channel. Thank you guys so much for being here, and make sure you do check out my latest videos, which are going to be right here. And also, if you click this little circle with my picture in it, it's going to subscribe you to my channel in case you haven't done so already. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys!